Here's what you get inside the Razer's X box. A quick unboxing. You're first greeted by the microphone, which is this nice matte black plastic little thing. It's a bit light and feels a bit cheap, honestly, for how much you pay for it, but at least you get a volume knob on the back and a mute switch on the back to control your audio and stuff. On the bottom, you've got a screw mount, a micro USB port, and a headphone jack for monitoring audio, and overall, I wish it was more fancy feeling, but the stand itself is pretty nice. You get a little swivel for adjusting the position of the microphone. You get some padding to prevent vibrations from entering the microphone and ruining your audio, which is pretty good. You also get a very nice, fancy, long, premium braided micro USB cable that's Razer branded, which is appreciated, and a manual and letter to make you feel all warm and fuzzy inside, as well as some Razer stickers, which I am definitely stealing from my friend. That's it for this quick unboxing. If you want to watch the full video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/ZXTech, and if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and all that stuff, because the full-on review is going to be really exciting, and it's coming out tomorrow.